Hey guys, hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. So yeah, today's CSIR uploaded or declared its December 2018 result, and I'm so happy with your performance. Okay, I can't express. Also, I'm so happy right now that I just finished my taking my plus class, and after immediately after that I started recording this video because I don't want to miss out the time to congratulate each and every one of you. So like many of you have qualified JRF this time, and like I have asked you guys on my YouTube community tab as well as on my Facebook page, and I got to know that many of you have qualified. Like Rahul has qualified with All India rank 53, then Maya has qualified with All India rank 29. Then after that we have like Vibhas Das has qualified All India rank. Like he has not mentioned his All India rank, but he qualified JRF. Then Shaumen Pandit, he also qualified CSIR with All India rank 51. So see, like there are many of you. Okay, so I haven't written all the names all together. I'm sorry if I am not able to specify each and every one of you. I'm really sorry about it. But yeah, I'm very happy with your results, and that's why I'm recording this video because I want like all of you to write down your, like if you have qualified the exam, just write your All India rank, and whatever, like if you have qualified LS or JRF, just tell me that. Okay, so this video I'm just making to express my happiness, to share with you, to congratulate each and every one of you. Okay, so congratulations once again, and hope you all get a huge success in life. As a teacher, as a mentor, as an educator, there is nothing which can give me happiness more than this. Okay, like my students are performing so well, so I'm so happy today. And you all have mentioned that you got benefited from my videos, from my teachings, from my classes on an academy and also on YouTube. So like I can't express that how much happy I am. Okay, so yeah, so I just wanted, okay, so like this was for all of them who have qualified. Like once again, a huge congratulations to all of you. To those who have missed this exam, like for them also it's very important. The result is very important for them also, who have just missed with few marks or who are not able to qualify, because marks statement is not yet been released. You just know whether you have qualified or not. Okay, so if you have not qualified, don't get disheartened. Okay, it happens. For with me also it happened, right? In the first attempt I was not able to qualify CSIR exam, so it happens. Don't feel disheartened, don't feel bad about it. It is natural, you will feel bad. I also felt bad. Even I didn't eat that day. Okay, I didn't eat my dinner that day because I have prepared, and I was like, why I was not able to qualify. So don't worry about it. It's life, it happens. Okay, what you have to do now, for those who are not able to qualify, okay, what you have to do now, first of all, just give 1 or 2 days to you. Okay, just give yourself 1 or 2 days. Just watch movies, hang out with your friends, whatever gives you peace to your mind, just do that. Listen to music, whatever gives peace to your mind, just do that. Don't get disheartened. This is the time where you have to boost up. Okay, now after 1 or 2 day, what you have to do, you have to again start studying with double like energy. Okay, double enthusiasm. So, and also if you are not able to qualify, like I have already uploaded a video where I have told that if like what you can do if you are not able to qualify again and again. Okay, you just have to change your preparation strategy, you just have to change the way you are preparing for the exam. Okay, so these were certain things, and don't get disheartened. This is the most important, because if I am happy for those students who have qualified, so I'm also I'm also with you guys who have not qualified, and we will work on together. We will definitely get the next time. Okay, so there, like the next exam is just 2-3 months. You just have a 2-3 months gap for that. So it's a that time you can, like you can use that time, and you can work well. Okay, you can get a better score in this time, so don't get disheartened. And that's all for you guys. Okay, and at the end I will just ask for a favor from all those who have qualified, whether you have qualified LS or JRF. Just I want a favor from you. If you guys think that my classes or my videos helped you in your preparation, so just do one thing. I'm giving my email ID in the comment section. Just record a short video of yours. Okay, and also your like what how you prepared for the exam, like which topics you prepared, not the specific topics. Just tell me that, just tell in the video that whether you prepared organic, inorganic or physical, which one of the topic you focused on more, and how this channel helped you. That will just give some reputation to this particular channel, okay, and that will just help me a little bit. So for me, you can do this thing, okay. I just ask for this much favor from you. And also for those students who are preparing, who will watch that video, they will get to know that what kind of strategy they can follow, okay. So just a short video of just 1 or 2 minutes, you can make that, and I will compile all those videos. Or also, if you have a detailed strategy, you can give a complete video of like 4 or 5 minutes, whatever time you want. So I will just post that on YouTube, so that other students who are preparing, they will get to know, okay. And that's all, guys. And again, a very congratulations to each and every one of you who have qualified, and I'm really very happy with the result, okay, because many of you have qualified, like this time. From the last time, more students have qualified. And lastly, I will just say about the cutoff, because many of you were asking me that what is the cutoff. Although the official cutoff is not yet released, but probably it's between 105 to 108 for general JRF. Okay, so that is what I can predict. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to get a good response from you. And my email ID is given in the description, and also I'll post it in the comment section. So thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye bye.